y is directly proportional to square root of x minus 3. And they gave x value and y value, and they are giving x value, we have to find y. So first let us write this. Y is directly proportional to square root of x minus 3. So to remove this proportionality, we are going to write like this. Y equal to some constant. You can have any variable. I'm just keeping it as k. K into x minus 3. Yes. Now, what we should do means they gave these data, right? By substituting these data, we have to find the value of k. Yes. Y value is 20. 20 equal to k root of x value is 28. 28 minus 3, that is 20 equal to k root of 25, that is 20 equal to 5k. K value will be 4. Now we found the k value. So what is the formula means? Y equal to k. Instead of k, I am going to write 4. 4 root of x minus 3. This is the general formula connecting the statements. Now, using this, we are going to substitute when x equal to 39. We are going to find what is y value. So, y equal to 4 root of 39 minus 3. Yes, so y equal to 4 root of 39 minus 3 is 36, and y equal to 4 into 6, it is 24. So the answer for this is 24.